So in order to open the bonnet in the Renault Scenic, you're going to have to pull this tab, which is located under the steering wheel in this area there. So just pull that tab and then come round to the front of the car. And then there is a lever which is located, it's kind of located to the left of the Renault logo. So you're going to have to put your hand underneath the bonnet, and it's underneath, and then you're going to have to kind of pull it to the side, pull it to the left, and you can just see that yellow tab there. So put your hand through, locate that lever, pull the tab to the left like so, and then that will open up the bonnet. And then there is the kind of prop which is located at the top here just to balance the bonnet, and you can put that into place there. So that's how to open the bonnet in the Renault Scenic. Here is that lever, so you put your hand through and then locate that lever, pull it to the left, and then you're able to lift up the bonnet. So thank you for watching.